won't believe where in Maharashtra this place is.
What a place, man! What a place. अभी हम जाने वाले हैं पानी में थोड़ी देर में. It's not connected to the mainland at all. It's one guy sits there and manages that. एक आदमी.
I was 2 years old when I realized that my trip to Panchgani's hostel wasn't enough to cure me from my Northeast India withdrawal symptoms. मेरे फैमिली डॉक्टर ने कहा कि इस बीमारी को क्योर करने के लिए और एक ट्रिप पे जाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया टू टेक माई abnormally लंबा 8 फुट का दोस्त Karan on a special trip to Goa and Sindhudurg. Karan was more excited than a Japanese teenage girl who experienced her first kiss. And he was also happy because on the way to Sindhudurg, he completed 10,000 kilometers on his lowrider S. And what better way than to celebrate it with his best friend, his yaro ka yaar, someone who he considers more important than his family and even his wife. Yours truly. Me. Of course me.
हमको मारो, हमको जिंदा मत छोड़ो सालो!
Anyway, this video is not about Goa. This video is about a place I found in the southern part of Maharashtra called Sindhudurg and showing you why the beaches here are true hidden gems. So stop everything you're doing right now, unless you're flying a plane or doing surgery. Then don't stop what you're doing. But the rest of you with regular ass jobs, काम वाम तो होता रहेगा यार. But this is not something you'd want to miss. And the best part is, by road, North Goa से Sindhudurg is barely 2.5 hours away. From Mumbai, it's around 9.5 hours away. और अगर आप Gen Z बच्चों के जैसे लेजी और बिल्कुल भी एडवेंचरस नहीं हो, तो आप मुंबई से फ्लाइट में भी आ सकते हो. As we got closer to our destination, the view started getting even better. We reached the dive shop and we confirmed our booking with the divers of Vingoria.
We have arrived at divers of Vingoria. It is basically Vin Diesel or Eva Longoria. If they were married, it would be called Vingoria. It is why it is called divers of Vingoria.
वहाँ से we checked into the only decent hotel around, but with a view that made me feel I'm in Spain.
That is the view. Beautiful.
The hotel is literally one of the best beach resorts I've stayed in the country. Period.
This is Sindhudurg, guys. So beautiful. Goa का part मैंने बताया नहीं आपको because it's Goa. I thought I'd take you straight to the diving part. So this place is called Sea Paradise. Sea Paradise or something. Sea Horizon. Sea Horizon. And pretty amazing. And the view is just to die for. मैं तो मतलब shock में हूँ. I can't say anything. I'm totally quiet. Karan also is in shock. Brilliant. It's just one of the least explored places. Like हम ऐसे जगह पे usually आते नहीं. We usually go to Goa, which is a usual spot, commercial spot. This is completely unexplored. In fact, this is the only resort here in this stretch which is like this. बाकी तो है ही नहीं, but छोटे-छोटे shack type है, but that's about it. And I think this is the only place which has a view like this, like a view to die for. It's so beautiful. That is the river basically that it confluences and it like sort of meets Karli river, which basically connects the ocean यहाँ पर beach, and it's just mind blowing. आज रात को हमारा diving का था, but वो नहीं हो रहा है because they're saying that too much of wind there, so boat जाएगा नहीं पानी में. So we're doing night dive. हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, so I won't show you the night dive, but हम tomorrow morning dive कर रहे हैं. I got my equipment, so let's see. I'm gonna get some good shots. Hopefully the water will be very clear, not very muddy, and visibility अच्छा होना चाहिए, तो you'll see good marine life. But अभी फ़िलहाल we're just having lunch, and yeah, we're gonna have a thali and get into the pool there. Is there a pool there? We're gonna get in the pool there. What a bloody spot. This is what he called a cooking view. What a spot. What a bloody spot. That is so beautiful, guys. This is what I live for. This is what I want to do every day of my life. अगर कसम से अगर ये नहीं करना होता तो what क्या करना है लाइफ में, बताओ मुझे. This is the best thing in the world. Traveling, exploring new places,
मीटिंग न्यू पीपल, ट्राइंग न्यू फूड, यही तो है यार लाइफ, यही तो है लाइफ. आई पर्सनली हैव नेवर कम टू दिस पार्ट ऑफ माई कंट्री. कैन यू इमेजिन कि मैं पला बड़ा हूँ महाराष्ट्र में, बट ये महाराष्ट्र का जो साउथ वेस्टर्न जो टिप है, ये जो महाराष्ट्र का जो मैप पे है, आई हैव नेवर कम हियर. कैन यू इमेजिन, मतलब मैंने क्रॉस किया शायद 1-2 बार रोड पे, बट मैंने कभी रुका नहीं. आई हैव नेवर स्टॉप्ड हियर एंड एक्चुअली एडमायर्ड द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस प्लेस. एंड फॉर हेवन सेक इट इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल मैन. आई मीन हम यूजली गोवा सब जाते हैं, बट जो बहुत कमर्शियल है, बट दिस वी डोंट यूजली एक्सप्लोर. सो वेरी हैप्पी दैट डन दैट. एक दिन के लिए है, वी वोंट स्टे टू मच. यहाँ जस्ट 1 नाइट हम यहाँ रुकेंगे और नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग कल हमारा चेकआउट है, बट चेकआउट के पहले डाइविंग करेंगे. मैं कर रहा हूँ ये वाला सीन एन्जॉय. यू कैन एन्जॉय विद मी एंड या.
A lot of you don't know that I have a PhD in doing nothing. I'm really good at it, and that's exactly what I did by the pool all evening.
अति सुंदर. Anyway guys, it's time to chill out now and sign out. कल सुबह मिलेंगे बीच पे. Divers of Vingoria.
Divers of Vingoria is a scuba diving company owned and operated by some really young but experienced divers who offer various diving courses if you wish to explore our gorgeous oceans.
यहाँ पर हम प्रेप करने वाले हैं. I'm gonna go to ocean very soon. Yes, what were you saying? Try the size. I think इससे बड़ा है. It's one more size bigger, I think.
Now this might come as a shock to you, but unlike fish, humans can't breathe underwater.
इसका मतलब है
That's right. इसलिए पानी में घुसने के पहले हमें equipment की जरूरत पड़ती है, like BCD, snorkels, etc. By the way, for all you non-swimmers out there, these guys do offer free diving experiences with an instructor accompanying you at all times. I know this looks complex, but it's really not. Think of it as your first driving lesson. शुरू में थोड़ा overwhelming लगता है, but as soon as you're in the water, you go with the flow. Pun intended. And for you other guys who are familiar with the ocean diving part, you know the drill.
It should be slightly loose out.
No,
Slightly.
it'll be a little loose.
No, not this. Something that is slightly comfortable. This is a little tight from here.
It's snug.
Now Karan is a master diver जो ज़मीन पे कम पानी में ज़्यादा रहता है. I am a licensed diver too, but as a friend, it's important for me to pretend like I don't know what I'm doing so I can test Karan's skill.
You've not connected this.
I don't know about you, but this is what true friends do.
साले का खोपड़ी तो
How heavy are you?
How heavy are you?
74.
Shut up, dude.
Right?
Don't lie.
What?
How heavy are you?
92.
You're fat, no? So,
I'm 90.
I'm fit. You're fat, Eric. I'm diving after 3 years, so thoda
Yeah.
a little rougher on the edges. Say hi to my 2 million subscribers.
Hi.
What's your name?
Shyam.
Shyam. Where are you from, Shyam?
I'm from Kerala.
Kerala. What about you? Arey, Kerala. You're also Kerala.
मेरे छोटे छोटे बच्चे लोग नारे लपड़े
Where in Kerala, by the way?
Kannur.
Arey, Kannur. Same. Malayali. What's your name?
Akshay.
What about you? Pratik. Where are you from? Mumbai. Arey, shabash.
Chal, let's go.
चलो भाई.
Getting your bike?
Some 5 minutes later, we were at the beach, which was isolated, pristine, unexplored, and just beautiful.
What's his name, sir?
किधर से? Support.
Side note, if you don't do this often, I'd highly recommend popping motion sickness tablets before getting on the boat to avoid some major seasickness.
Or an amazing place. Karan, how are you finding it? Good? Enjoying? It's always frustrated. What a place, man. What a place. अभी हम जाने वाले हैं पानी में थोड़ी देर में. And water looks amazing. I don't know what the visibility is like, but let's see. 3 साल के बाद डाइविंग कर रहा हूँ मैं, तो I'm a little rough around the edges, but it should be fine. It should not be a huge problem. The only problem that happens is buoyancy. Buoyancy control करने में थोड़ा time लगता है when you go after a very long time. Third या fourth dive it becomes normal, but आज से हम 4 dive कर रहे हैं, not more than that. And we're gonna check out this beautiful land in precisely I think half an hour. We're gonna be underwater. So अभी मैं ये कैमरा चेंज कर रहा हूँ. I'm putting my underwater camera on now, तो audio का issue होगा, but that's why we have voice over, right? देखो पूरा लाइट हाउस और मैंशन बनाया है. That's so scary. One guy sits there and manages that. एक आदमी जो कभी निकलता नहीं है, by the way, it's not connected to the mainland at all. It's completely separate. This is a Portuguese lighthouse anchoring here. Soon enough, we were in the water, but visibility itna low tha ki we couldn't see beyond 3 to 4 feet. Now, if you want to see how clear the water was when I was diving in Maldives, you can click on the link above. One of the reasons why I love scuba diving is that it is a form of meditation. All you can focus on underwater is your breathing. But more than that, it shows you a world you would otherwise never see or experience. To me, it is incredibly important to learn, appreciate, and respect a planet that, by the way, is 71% water. Anyway, इस बार marine life तो छोड़ो, हमें एक दूसरे की शक्ल भी नहीं दिख रही थी. The water was too choppy and muddy, not the ideal conditions for a dive. कुछ 15 मिनट बाद we resurfaced and decided to head back, but I was still extremely happy.
How are you feeling, bro? I'm waiting for a wave to come and smash you. Oh, we gotta get one now.
So that was amazing, by the way, guys. This is Pratik, who manages the place. You already know Sham. Sham, na? Got the name right, no? He's a diver here, very young, only 45 years old. But he's a very, very good diver.
Guys, crazy, okay.
How was the dive, bro?
Super. Really nice. Amazing place. Great location. Unfortunately, not that great conditions today, but you know, that's the sea. I mean, that's the ocean.
How much could you see? I mean, I did get some footage here. I mean, they could see
I
my...
could see you.
I could not even see him actually. Very, very, very low visibility. But I got some shots of the fish underwater. And यहाँ तो देखो क्या देखा था? एक grouper angel
We
fish
saw
था.
a few snappers. We saw a banner fish. The blue and black were the triggers.
Yeah, not much, but I mean, it's still good enough. And I'm diving after 3 years, so it was pretty good. Almost ulti हो गया मुझसे, almost, but still not done it yet. I'm so proud of myself. He was मेरे को बोला था कि मैं चुप क्यों बैठा हूँ. I am so quiet is because I was mentally preparing myself कि I'm not going to puke no matter what. And I didn't puke, and I'm very happy. भाई बच गया. The water was very choppy, very, 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 very choppy. Somehow managed, and no ulti happened today, so feeling good. So that was it. Meet these guys. It's a lovely place, lovely people. Say bye, guys.
Bye bye.
We're gonna see in the next one, okay? So, cheers, man.
वो ZNMD का सीन याद है? That actually happens.
मैं तुम्हें ट्रेन करने आई हूँ.
नहीं, वो कटरीना वाला पार्ट नहीं यार. Not that our instructor was any less pretty, but everything else around it does happen. The feeling of nervousness, excitement, elation, and even enlightenment, सब होता है. इस पानी में ना मैजिक ही कुछ ऐसा है. जहन में कितना भी कचरा लेकर जाओ, बाहर तो तुम साफ ही आओ. So if you're one of those unlucky souls who hasn't tried deep sea diving yet, I highly recommend you do.
Hey, Nikhil, are you going through a dry spell in life?